In this video, I want to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone on iPhone. So to actually turn off the Find My iPhone, it's very simple and I'm going to be showing you that real quick. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings now. So once you get to your settings, the next thing I want you to do here, I want you to tap on your Apple account by tapping on your name at the top. So let's do that. So once you tap on your name at the top by tapping on your Apple account, it will bring you to this, your Apple account information. So what I want you to do here, if you check down here, you are going to see where it says Find My. So I want you to tap on that Find My. So once you tap on that Find My, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on Find My iPhone. So once you tap on Find My iPhone, it's going to take you to this final stage. So on here, if you check the top, you're going to see Find My iPhone. So I just want you to tap on this. As you can see, it is actually showing green now, which means this is actually turned on. So to turn this off, I will just tap on it. So once you tap on Find My iPhone, it will ask you to put in your Apple account password. So once you put in your Apple account password, the Find My iPhone will be turned off successfully. So guys, this is how to actually turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.